Introducing Pineta Pro, an upgrade from the original Pineta Monopod that takes the efficiency and safety of capturing your shots to the next level. Just a single press and slide to extend or retract, and release to lock, allowing instant height adjustment with a maximum reach of 162 centimeters. Compared with other monopods, the larger carbon tube of Pineta Pro enables it to bear a maximum load of 10 kilograms. It features an additional safety lock, preventing accidental height changes during shooting. Press the two release buttons with 2 fingers and lift up to remove the top plate. Ensures swift detachment while eliminating concerns of accidental plate drops. Designed with a set screw, the mounting plate ensures steadfast equipment installation, significantly enhancing safety, especially for gimbal shots. Pineta Pro features a Q20 RE-style mount on the side for mounting accessories like magic arms and more. The upgraded support leg incorporates the same secure quick-release design as the top. With a single press, securing the mounting plate or monopod is effortless, allowing seamless camera handling. The pedal release simplifies pan-tilt adjustment, while the one-key damping adjustment system eliminates the vagueness of traditional knob adjustments, granting precise pan-tilt resistance control. No more bending. The swiveling base enables free tilt or 360-degree horizontal rotation for quick capture capabilities. Step on the pedal once again. It automatically locks in place once the legs return to a vertical position, significantly improving your shooting efficiency. Furthermore, the expanded footprint of the support leg enhances stability for vertical shooting. Dual-angle design allows secure shooting even in confined spaces or crowded environments. Pineta Pro transcends traditional methods, empowering creatives with a whole new approach to a safe and efficient creation.